it's me, Julie Vu. So today is a good day because we get to open up the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette.
How many units sold out?
Total? Over 400,000.
Right? So basically 410,000 conspiracy palettes have sold out. We're at 1.1 million units sold with both palettes combined. That's minus not even anything else. That's just 2 palettes.
I am so excited. I've been waiting so long to open this package, but it is finally here and we are going to open it together. You're gonna see my first reactions of the product, and also let's play with some of the colors. That's why I'm not wearing any eye makeup, because girl, I wanna play with the makeup. So let's open her up without further ado. I'm not going to lie, it was a little bit expensive. I live in Canada and the conversion rate, duties and taxes. Honestly, I bought 2 palettes, one for me and one for my little sister, and it came out to like $200 Canadian. Duties and taxes was $26. Shipping and 2 palettes, it was like $172 or whatever. Girl, it was quite expensive, so. One is for my sister. I'll give her the pretty one. So this is the packaging that it comes in. A black tissue paper with the Jeffree Star logo and the Shane Dawson logo. Here it says conspiracy. How cute, I love the attention to detail. All right, so I'll put this aside for my little sister, but let's open this one up, which is a little bit ripped already. All right, so we have that here and the mini controversy. All right, let's open her up. I'm so freaking excited. Oh, I must say the series and the hype totally did it. And like, I'm about to be starstruck. Aw, cute. Conspiracy. Okay. I don't know, I like to smell things. Oh. Why is it so hard to open? What is happening here? Hello, I just want my palette. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Dun, 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 dun. Conspiracy palette. Here she is in her full glory. The infamous conspiracy palette. All right. So pretty. There's 2 little lock things here. Let's open her up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was almost tragedy. Wow, this is so pretty. Come on, quality, okay. Here it is up close. I hope you guys can see it. Right off the bat, Trisha is beautiful. Food Vibes, that's a very unique color. Cheese Dust is really popping out to me. It's very like an orange color, obviously. Flaming Hot's pretty, but I really, really like Illuminati. That's a very pretty color. I kind of want to play with that today. I want to play with Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot, Illuminati, My Rides Here, and Diet Root Beer. I love the packaging. It's so, I don't know, it feels so good. Like, yes. 10 out of 10 for packaging. Look at that. I love the black. It's just so hot. Okay. Oh, live. All right, so let's get to applying our makeup because I look like a dying person right now. Sometimes it takes makeup to look natural for some people. Julie Vu. All right, so I think I'm gonna put Illuminati all over my lids, and then I'm gonna smoke it out with the black, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the Flaming Hot and Cheese Dust. Was that too much dark green? You know what? I'm gonna swatch Illuminati first to see. Okay, yeah, hello pigment. That's pretty pigmented. Let's put it on my hand here to see the color. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, giving me like mermaid vibes, siren from the sea vibes, you know? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna wet my brush because I feel like I can get really like a nice metallic out of this. So I'm just gonna wet my brush. Do you guys see that? Wow, it's so pretty. I love this color. Like as soon as I saw it, like Trisha and Illuminati just like pulled me in. It like literally sucked me in, and look how pretty this is. I love it. Okay, so now let's jump into the bright colors to kind of like warm it up just a little bit. Let's give some life to her, Mermaid on Land. I'm all about taking risks today, so let's jump into Flaming Hot. Do I want to do this? No, you know what? It's gonna be way too Christmassy. I'm having a moment of self-doubt. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think it's gonna look very not cute. Sorry, we're not doing Flaming Hot. We're gonna do Trisha. All right, let's just do that. Let's do pink and green. That's a cute combo. So we're gonna dip it into Trisha. And that's when she knew she regret doing that. But you know what? I'm gonna make it work. I'm just gonna put it on both sides and really blend it out. I might add in another color. Okay, it's very, very pigmented. I'm gonna have to blend the crap out of this, but have no fear. Now I'm gonna dip my brush into Pigment. All right, this light pink here to kind of diffuse the harsh Trisha out a little bit. Didn't know these were so freaking pigmented. That's actually so pretty. Giving you tropical vibes, honey. All right, so I'm gonna do the same for this side. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm totally giving you mermaid vibes right now, like 100%. Look at these colors. I can't believe I was gonna go for like a red and a freaking green. Like, no, that was a mess. Thank God. Whew, last minute changes. So there it is, the colors on my lids. I'm gonna add the highlight now. I'm gonna dip into Ranch, although this is like pretty blinding. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the brow bone. Oh my God. Scare the shit out of me. Hello?
Hi, Julie Boots today.
Oh my God, I hate it when I'm halfway through my makeup and I have to open the door for the mailman. Like, hi. Do not judge my unfinished makeup look. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, when I put Trisha on, I was like, oh my God, this is a mess, right? But, okay, like it's totally fine. Let's put Ranch onto our brow bone and just clean it up a bit. It's gonna be a little bit blinding, but that's okay, we like that. Wow, okay, that's really bright. Okay, I don't need a lot. Oh, that's so pretty. That would make a really nice highlighter, guys. Ranch. Ranch is so pretty that I'm actually gonna put it into my tear duct. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that and apply it right here. Oh my God. You guys, look how pretty it is. Oh my God, okay, so a little bit more on the other side here. Obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the edges a little bit. I like to use like a little foundation brush and then just dip it into a little bit of concealer and kind of wipe away the edges to get like a sharp edge. Some people like to put tape on their eyes. I don't. I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer, a little bit of this brush, and I'm just going to clean it off. Like so, creating that sharp line myself. All right, so now I'm thinking of a color to put on my lower lash line. I usually like it dark and leave the top colorful. So I'm probably gonna go into, I kind of want to go into my rides here, but I feel like it's just too dark. So I might go into Spiraling. It's like a nice shimmery brown color. It looks like a chocolatey. Yeah, let's use that on our lower lash line. I'm going in with a pencil brush. I'm dipping into Spiraling. There's a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's not as dark as the black one, my rides here. So let's give it a try. Okay, I'm so content. I'm so happy with this. All right, so all the eyeshadows are on my lids. I'm going to put mascara, eyeliner, and lashes on, and then I'll be right back. 1 second, honey. Just 1 second. Boom, she's back, and this is the outcome. I really like it. What do you guys think? Cute little mermaid moment, like, okay. I used the color Ranch on my brow bone. I used Illuminati on the lids. I used Trisha in the crease, and to blend everything out, I used Pigment. So it's a really pretty color. I really honestly didn't think I was gonna come up with this look, but it's just very like, it's fun. It's fun, it's cute, it's very like, cute. So there you have it, folks. The colors on my eyelids. First impressions, very, very beautiful. The product feels like quality. The colors are very pigmented. I appreciate this palette. I think it's so beautiful. The top's super neutrals. You have some fun pop colors that you can play with. I love that there's a black in there. There's a pink. There's a nice dark green. It's a beautiful palette, guys. I'm not just saying this to kiss any ass, but really pretty. I want to do like an all neutral look with the top row tomorrow. So yeah, it's really pretty. Highly recommend it. Love the packaging. First impressions, really great, as I expect it to be. So yeah, love the Conspiracy palette. It is a yes for me. As I throw it away. Stay tuned for all these juicy videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Why did I do that? I mean, mwah. Bye guys, gotta go.